In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hire on Upwork. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from finding the right professional to sending a clear, confident offer that sets your project up for success. Start by opening your browser and heading to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Upwork and open the official Upwork website. Once you're on the site, navigate to the talent search area. Here you can browse or search for freelancers by skill, role, or keywords related to your project. Take a moment to review profiles carefully. Look at their experience, portfolios, client reviews, rates, and recent activity. When you find someone who aligns with your needs, open their profile to see more details. On the Freelancers profile, click the Hire button. This begins your offer. You'll be taken to a form where you'll enter key job details. Start with a clear contract title that summarizes the role or task in a few words. Then write a concise work description. Explain what you need done, why it matters, the expected deliverables, important tools or access they'll need, and your preferred timeline. Clarity here reduces back and forth and helps the freelancer price accurately. Next, set your contract terms. Choose whether you want to pay by the hour or use a fixed price. Hourly is great for ongoing or exploratory work where scope may evolve. Fixed price works best for well-defined projects with specific deliverables. Once you've selected the payment type, enter the project amount or hourly rate that matches the scope and the freelancer's expectations. You'll now select a payment schedule. If you're using fixed price, you can pay for the whole project at once or break it into milestones. Milestones are helpful for larger efforts. Define each stage, what will be delivered, and the amount for each milestone. This structure keeps both sides aligned and allows you to review work in phases. If you choose a single payment, make sure your description clearly states what completion looks like. Before proceeding, review the terms and privacy acknowledgments. Confirm that everything looks correct and that your details reflect the agreement you want to make. When you're comfortable with the setup, click Continue. You'll see a summary of your offer. Give it a final read to ensure the title, description, payment method, and schedule are all accurate. That's it. Your offer is ready to send, and the freelancer will be notified to accept. With a clear scope and the right payment structure, you'll start your Upwork project smoothly and set the stage for a great collaboration.